Some families, they say, oh, I gotta make money, I gotta make money, I gotta make money, I gotta make money. That's what they're doing for 30, 40, 50 years. I gotta make money. I'm the backbone of the family, I gotta make money. Fine. You've been taking care of your family, you've been backbone, you've been making money, fine. They're fine, they're all grown up, you pay off your bills, you own everything, you've got a couple of million, why are you still making money? Oh, now I need to support the whole planet. Oh, okay. You see, it's not that they need to support and support. It's what they thought money can give them that they can't let go. They thought that money can give them respect. They thought that having money, that their kids would have a head start and their kids would grow up fabulous because they got the best school, best education, best exposure, they had everything easy. They thought that money would help them grow. And when their little darlings grow up and they turn out to be werewolves and monsters and vampires that come and suck mama dry, suck daddy dry, they go, but why is my kid making me unhappy now? I make the money. If I give you money, if I make your life easy, if I give you what you want, if I give you the best, if I give you the best clothes, the best education, you have to come out the best. You see, that's not their view, that's your view. Because you think like that. That type of thinking that's not founded is called projection. And that projection not being real is empty of existence. So all phenomena are empty of existence. Doesn't mean there's no phenomenon. It means your projection of the phenomenon and how it should be is empty of true existence. The true existence of phenomena is not from their side, it is from your side. Hence, when you realize emptiness, you will be free.